Apple just made a huge splash onto the AI scene, and they said that this AI is actually outperforming ChatGPT. But let's be honest, it seems like every AI that's being released now is outperforming ChatGPT 4. Clyde outperforming ChatGPT 4, Gemini outperforming ChatGPT 4, and now Apple, they're saying they are outdoing ChatGPT 4. And I'm not sure how much that matters anymore because ChatGPT is probably outperforming ChatGPT 4 at this point. But anyway, Apple just released an AI and it was basically saying like, hey, this AI is going to be on your phone. It's going to be able to see different things that it does to you. All right. So it can see like your screen and can interpret what's going on in your screen to then make choices based off AI. So let's say you wanted to have a conversation with the AI that says like, hey, can you call, I don't know, for my doctor's appointment or something like that. The AI could do it like in real time now. It could then go out and let you get like the doctor's appointment by calling or maybe calling the phone, even though we already see that right now where it's like, hey, Siri, can you call such and such? And then it would do it. Well, what about if it was Siri not only calling, but setting up your appointment or placing a single order from a pizza place? We already see that now with different places or different AI models that can call people, prank call people. But it would be cool to just have it all in your phone, as well as, know that it's compatible with, your phone. It's not using up too much data and resources. What makes this different from a lot of these other models like Claude 3, as well as, ChatGPT 4, is that they kind of use image recognition or computer vision to see the screen and then interpret it based off what the images are. Apple does a real kind of twist to it. You know what I'm saying? They do a little twist to it where instead of it just reading the screen with the images, they convert what's on the screen to text. So it saves up a lot of memory and it makes it go a lot faster. It makes it a lot more of a lighter model since you don't have to consume as much data as reading and looking at images. It's more so like interpreting each image into words. And so I'm pretty sure it does something like maybe have like a small context window where it's like, hey, I'm gonna just look at this image one at a time and then turn that one image into words instead of just having all these images and just storing all the images to be analyzed. It goes one at a time, converts it into words, and then kind of deletes that image out of its brain because it has the text equivalent to that image. And so when it went head to head with ChatGPT, it said it did amazing. And I can't complain about that. I would love to have AI on my phone. But as well as they were saying that this is not perfect and it may cause some hiccups in the future because it is converting it into text, and like based off what it converts it to text could throw off the model. As well as not the biggest model, it doesn't have all the parameters as a ChatGPT or a Claude 3. And so it is smaller in scale and is more niche. The idea Apple is kind of going for is to try to make it more catered towards the user. So the more the user uses this AI, the more the AI will learn you. No, right? Creepy. But it'll learn you more, and then it'll then adapt, and then it'll be able to suggest more things to you that you will like. Almost like they're just going to use it for advertisement to see what you want and then trying to sell you on things that you like by storing your habits and everything. We already know where this is going. This is no surprise, but before it gets there, at least it'll be a fun ride, right?